So today we're gonna make a small batch that you can make at home with about 4 bananas. So first we need about 1 cup of bananas, mashed, which equates to about 3 to 4 bananas here. So you always wanna start with your bananas first so you can mash them up. So as you see, it'll make about like a paste here. So next what you want to do is we want to add all of our liquids to it. So we have about a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to start mixing that all together here a little bit. So next we're going to add our sugar, about 3/4 cup. Kind of mix that all together. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is what will help give you the nice rise on your muffin tops. And lastly, we're going to add our 1 cup of white flour and 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour. That'll give you your 51%. If you want to add more whole wheat flour, just subtract it from the regular white flour, and vice versa. If you don't want to have any whole wheat flour, just add the extra as white flour. So as you see, it's starting to get pretty stiff, mixing together. That's what we want. We don't want it to be runny. If it's ended up a little too runny, just add a little bit more flour. And then lastly, we're just gonna mix in our 1/2 cup of chocolate chips here. And we just fold those in. So what we're using here is about a 2-ounce scoop. Take it so it's nice and level, put them right down there. I usually start in all the corners, and that'll keep your trays, your paper from flying up everywhere. This recipe will get you about 12 muffin tops. And then we just put a couple chocolate chips on top. And then lastly, just gonna put them in the oven at 350 for about 18 minutes.